really having the most credibility. But Mr. In the second hand, only the faith is there. Only the faith is the power which can cross all the races. If you don't know, you better should know that only the faith is the power that cross all the races. And we know that how much the race is keeping the world. We know how much the race is keeping the world. They also know what is honesty, what is dishonesty. That's why they do not commit that thing. And if you really don't know, then only you should know that faith is the thing which can cross all the limits of races.
About that a faith is there in the person, the whole races will be crossed. If in his nourishment there is disloyalty, if in his race, in his blood there is disloyalty, in nourishment his parent did bad nourishment, his parent told him to be disloyal, to don't speak truth. In his race, this thing is, so he will be the man who will get success. He will be the man who will be loyal with the other persons. Tell me, no. You know, sir also given us many examples, but all the people who are successful, they always respect the person, he always respect his child teacher. Why? Because they know that our child, and it is a proof of that thing, that a good race person will never deceive you. You given him everything, you made him everything, and then after, if he is long from good race, he will always respect you, not by hands. By their heart they will respect.
Out of the stadium! Last question, final Q&A.
So you are saying that good men never deceive. Okay, you are right. But in that time, when in front of person, they are deceiving to others. Like in that time, that you are deceiving to the good person. So what the benefit of that? Like if you are here and the good person are there. So in that time, if you are deceiving to others and you are saying like this is the person. You know, like in that time, like in our country, every person deceiving the good person. Why? Because the men have good quality. In that time, everybody is wanting in and everybody is enemy of it. Why? Because they have a good soul. We know. But in that time, nobody is here to support him. So why? Because nobody is understanding. Because nobody is understanding what's a good person quality and what's a bad person. So what are you defining? Okay, we are not like the good man never deceive, good race never deceive. So good race never deceive, but in front of person they will be in the heart they will be also like some person they are deceiving them. That's it.
Walk with the lion because he never cares that which I have to fight with which animal. So this is the thing, they did too much hard to support the good one. Now the people are not supporting in our Pakistan. People are not supporting the good one people. People are not supporting the people who are too much good, who are sincere. I will give you a little example. I will not go too much ahead. Our legend, sir, people are supporting it. No. The channels which are just funny channels, on their channel there are in the millions of subscribers, but on such channel there is not as much. Why? Because our nation is not good. So this thing is a proof that our nation didn't have the good race. Now in our nation mostly people don't have the good race. Means they are not nourishment. Their civilization is not good. And second thing, you said to us that in the good people, everyone is deceiving to the good people in our Pakistan. So tell me, our Pakistan is developed or underdeveloped still? Our Pakistan is still underdeveloped. But if you will talk about the other countries, so people who are bad, they will not support to them. But the people who are good, they will support to them. Why? Because they know that if we will support to him, he can do something for our country. Why? Because they know that he is the loyal man. He will never leave us alone. Because that's why they are ahead. That's why we are alone. That's why.